I'm Jessica Wenning, and this is my husband Mark, and we are representing District 6 on the Young Farmers and Ag Professionals State Committee.
I farm with my dad. We farm about 1,200 acres, mostly corn and soybeans. We also work a little bit as a side job as tiling and excavating to supplement our income.
I help out on the farm when I can. My full-time job is a senior manager in FSO assurance at Ernst & Young. And we've been married for 6 years now, and we have a 2-year-old son, Noah, and a 3-month-old little girl, Molly.
Our son Noah really likes living on the farm. He enjoys being in tractors, but he also enjoys just playing with his tractors, combine, all his farm toys.
Anytime Mark comes in and offers him a ride, he will definitely take you up on that, and he thoroughly enjoyed harvesting these past few weeks. Loved sitting in the combine, loved riding in the tractor and grain cart. He definitely has farming in his blood as well.
My Farm Bureau experience kind of started with my dad. He was county president for quite a few years here in Henry County. And then I've helped with things over the years. One of the biggest things is we've hosted a Kids Ag Day where all of the first graders come to our farm. We show them different farm activities and teach them a little bit about the farm.
I had heard of Farm Bureau, but my family wasn't overly involved, so once I started dating Mark, we participated in some young farmer Farm Bureau events, and then now we're trying to get even more involved.
We decided we wanted to get more involved with Farm Bureau, and we heard about this opportunity to be on the Young Farmer State Committee. We like that. We've done things within the county, especially with 4-H. We're just looking to branch out beyond the county and get involved in a larger organization.
One thing I think we both talked about is trying to get the district together more often. Over the past few years, there have been a few district events, but we'd like to see more interaction amongst all the counties in our district.